Hi, I'm going to be walking you through Unit 2, Lesson 13, Part 2. So this is practicing with input-output tables. So you should have already watched the previous video about input-output tables. So input-output tables are where we have a rule. Something is going to be done to our input number to get our output number. So your job on each of these tables is to figure out the rule and figure out any missing numbers in the table. Along with the video that you watched, these are all just going to be either multiplying or dividing. So let's look at the first one together. Our input is 7. We're going to do something to 7 and get an answer of 42. We need to figure out what are we doing to 7 to get 42. Since I know the number is getting bigger from 7 to 42, and our options are either multiply or divide, it must be multiply because multiplying is how we get bigger numbers. Dividing gives us smaller numbers. So up in the rule, I'm going to type multiply by, and then we have to figure out what to multiply by. 7 times what gets us 42. So we could count by 7s until we get to 42. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. And I can see that it's 6. So I think the rule is multiply by 6, but I need to check and make sure. Let's look at some of these other ones that are all the way done down here. Does 6 multiplied by 6 give me 36? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Yes, it does. Let me check this one here. Does 4 times 6 give me 24? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Yes, it does. So now my last job is to fill in these missing numbers. So I know I need to do 8 times 6 to give me this output. So when you solve 8 times 6, let's count by 8s 6 times. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. That one would be 48. I'm going to fill that in. Now this one over here is a little different. I don't know the input. Something times 6 equals 54. You could think of that as the same thing as taking 54, dividing it by 6, and that will give us the input. So let's count by 6s until we get to 54. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. It takes 9 to get there. So 9 goes in there. And then our last one down here, we're starting with 5, and we're going to multiply it by 6. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So your job is to complete this other input-output table over here and the 2 that are on the next slide. Let me know what you need help with. Bye-bye.